Alright boys, what's going on today? Pretty unfortunate day out here in the local schoolyard. Oval Beach as the G's like to call it. But yeah, as you see in the top part of the screen, down 500. Just poor sequence of events. I forgot I have a risk setting. I don't know if you guys are aware, on Top Step you can make like some risk parameters. So if you're ever in $500 drawdown for the day, liquidate your position and lock you out. But I didn't realize that I already had some initial loss from before. So when I placed this trade, this little green candle, as you guys see here, this like 2 pip whatever candle, that triggered my $500 liquidating setting. So very, very unfortunate, because I love this trade idea and I think it will play out, and it's a 2.4R idea. So that would have made me over $2,000 if I didn't get finessed, but it's now nobody's fault but mine. Let's go over this trade idea though in the first place. So initially, market opens, pre-market we gap up, and we're just trending upwards like crazy. So I'm targeting initially these highs right here, 19,144, this high 19,259, this high up here 19,388. So I think we're gonna come in and take out these highs. But after we take out this first significant hourly high, as you guys see, we have a nice SMT. So if I go on to MES, you see we make a lower low here, but then on NQ we have a higher high here. So that's very, very, oh my god, dude, the price is melting to my TP. Man, I'm gonna freak the frick out, boys. This is annoying. But it's good for the confidence, because I was waiting for this trade all day from 12 o'clock till now, and it's almost 1:40. So I waited almost over an hour for this setup. I was patient, waiting, and what happened is I took a little loss because I entered right here initially, but I realized this was premature. I entered initially right here, but after this initial reaction candle up, I just closed right away. So I lost 13 points on that one, and that's what got me to negative 250 initially. What's going on here? So as you guys see here, big boys, 10 cons on these, 10 micros. So I sell on this candle. I take partial loss right here, so I didn't realize my full stop loss, and then I enter again on this candle, which is a beautiful entry. This is what I should have waited for. But then, as you guys, like I just mentioned, I got triggered out on that next green candle. And what happens as soon as I get stopped out from the computer, price melts to my TP. Literally melts. Man, these are the kind of days that will make a person do some wild shit, like blow their account type of shit. But I have these settings for a reason. It's to protect me and my account, so I can't be mad. But at the same time, like, I wish I didn't place them, because I would have been chilling in profit at this point. I put 10 cons here, and we just ran for 70 pips, 70 points. 10 cons times 70 pips. Let's do some math right here. That's $3,500. I would have been able to take a payout from this kind of a trade. Wow, boys. But that just goes to show, trading is difficult, and you gotta be patient with your entries. I have everything so locked down. It's just I get too excited and I enter prematurely. But my bearish target is this gap right here, as you guys see, this opening gap from yesterday to today. And yeah, my confirmation was invalidating this bullish 15-minute gap and then also breaking structure on the 15-minute. That is the market telling me that we are hunting these lows and this gap right here. So I don't care about these highs anymore, because we took our draw and we reacted very, very bearish off that. So now, of course, my target is going to get hit and potentially missing out on a 300-point move. So yeah, very happy. I have an exam later today. Yeah, we'll see how that goes, but yeah, upsetting, very upsetting day, because I had this trade marked out, but you know what I mean, that's just one L. Learn from the lesson. I'll be fine, you know. This is the first funded account. There's gonna be mistakes made. This is just further proof in the pudding that it's very, very easy to get in your own way, because I know what to do, and this was very obvious. This setup, everything was very, very clean to me. Trading way later than I should be. Pretty uncomfortable out here in the sun, but you know, no excuses. Should have been more dialed. I keep forgetting about the risk settings. I gotta, in the morning, make a doc and read it over to remind myself. But yeah, that'll be it for this one. Hope you guys were able to catch this short or longs in the morning. But yeah, this will probably hit my TP, potential 90-point trade. I missed out on, but fuck it, boys. Tomorrow's a new day. Hopefully another opportunity presents itself. I think I'm just gonna probably full port the rest of the balance on this account, because you know, it's not a big deal. But I'll get another one pretty easily. Risk half of drawdown, you know, so it won't be that big of an issue. But yeah, that'll do it for this one. See you boys tomorrow.